Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Vani. Today we will discuss one interesting topic and of course an important topic about career options after 12th. Fine. If you are a class 12 student along with preparing for board exams, this video is only for you. Many of you might have decided what you want to do after class 12th. And of course, there are many students who are still confused and undecided about the future they want to build. Irrespective of category, like whether it is science stream or art stream or else commerce stream, the decision about what to do after class 12th is a critical one. And of course, it is a critical decision and an important decision. You need to take care of it after class 12th. Okay, so in this video I will explore career options available to you after the board examinations. How to choose the right graduation course. To take the first step toward choosing the right course after 12th, you must first know what options are available to you and which ones are best suited to your interests. Here there are some major points that you should factor in while deciding upon the best course. First one is your interests. The first thing that you must consider while deciding the graduation course is your interest and passion about it. You must having mental clarity about what you want to do in future and how interested are in a particular field. Once you come up across your interest, you need to understand of the course. Before you decide which course to pursue, it is also important to understand what a course entitle and what all does it cover. Okay? Means you need to understand what subjects will be covered, what you will learn, what kind of teaching methodologies are followed in a particular graduation course. You can gather important information from your seniors, siblings, or parents. Or else you can also find relevant information on the internet. And the next one is future prospects. This is a major factor to consider upon deciding a college course is its future prospects. You must know what are the career opportunities available after the course and what are the prospects available for higher studies in the field. There is a lot of options available if you are a PCM student. But engineering is one of the most popular course after 12th. Being a professional course, it attracts almost every candidate who has taken science stream with PCM subjects. And of course, it has a highly popularity course. Because of its high popularity, you have to appear different entrance examinations to seek admissions to top engineering colleges in India. There is a wide range of engineering courses available to the science students. Mechanical, electrical, computer science, civil and biotechnology is some of the most preferred engineering streams. And some of the new fields like nanotechnology, textile, petrochemical, marine engineering are also gaining popularity and offer some exciting career choices upon graduation. After engineering, the second most preferred option for students from science stream is medical. If you are the PCB student, medical is the best option for you. Simply, if your dream is to be a doctor, medicine is the stream for you. Along with the medicine, you can take up pharmacy, agricultural sciences and geology studies are also be a part of medical science after class 12th. Apart from the mainstream career options, medical research in various fields such as genetics, microbiology are also offer great opportunities to medical students. Biotechnology is a relatively new course in this field but is fast gaining popularity and offers great careers opportunities to the students after graduation. These are all the available courses if you are a PCB student. For students who pursued commerce stream in class 12th, CA, that is Chartered Accountancy, is one of the most popular course choices after 12th. Apart from Chartered Accountancy, some other popular courses are BBA, that is Bachelor's in Business Management, BCom, Honors, Economics Honors, CS, that is Company Secretary, Law, Bachelor's in Travel and Tourism, etc. So these courses can help you to build a career as an investment banker, brand manager, HR manager, that is human resource manager, and other such reputable positions. Students who pursued commerce without mathematics in class 12th might not be eligible for some courses available to commerce students after 12th. So this chart is for commerce students. You can have a look. A background in arts or humanities offers a wide range of courses for students to choose from. Mass communication, journalism, advertising, interior designing, graphics designing, psychology, sociology, history, fashion designing, photography, theater. These are all the plenty of courses for an art student to choose from. As an art student, you can also pursue foreign languages, filmmaking, art history, etc. So this chart is for art students. You can have a look. So, why it is an important decision? Let's see. Picking the right course and college is a very important decision for the class 12 student because the right choice will lead to a rewarding career. On the other hand, choosing the wrong option will mean that you end up precious time in studying a subject or a domain that does not really interest you. Moreover, in the majority of the cases, the decision that you take after class 12th will be the one that you will have to live with for the rest of your life. There is a little scope for changing your career after joining a graduation course, and even if you do it, you will still end up wasting the time. One of the major concerns for students after 12th is to appear for entrance exams. Almost every stream, it may be arts, engineering, medical, commerce or any other, has its own set of entrance exams for admission to reputed colleges in the respective domains. Every year, lack of students preparing to crack the entrance exams related to the course they are interested in taking at the graduation level. Depending upon the score the students get in these exams, they can apply to a courses offered by colleges across the country. There are some common entrance exams also which help students apply to multiple colleges with a single entrance exam. Some popular entrance exams are: if you choose engineering as your career, JEE Mains is the most important and popular engineering exam in the country. The JEE Main exam score and rank is used by nearly all the reputed engineering colleges in India to screen and shortlist candidates for admission. If your dream is to do the engineering in IITs, you need to appear JEE Advanced Entrance Exam. Here is some popular engineering entrance examinations. You can have a look. For medical sciences, NEET means the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Exam conducted by the Central Board of Secondary Education, is a common entrance exam for admission to majority of the medical college in India. And some institutes like AIMS conduct their own entrance exams to admit students for MBBS, pharmacy and other medical courses. Here is the list of major entrance exams for medical students. For commerce students, CPT, that is Common Proficiency Test, is the entry-level exam for the Chartered Accountancy course. That is one of the most popular course choices for commerce students. This is a table for major competitive exams for commerce students. There are many entrance exams for an art students depending on the type of course that you want to pursue and also the colleges and courses that you want to join. You can shortlist major entrance exams in the respective field. Here is a table for some popular colleges or universities and the entrance examinations conducted by them. You can have a look. This is what all about career options after 12th. So choose the right path. Your decision should be the final one and not anyone else. But yes, educate yourself about your field of interest, its scope and wise selection of an institution for maximum development. No doubt, following your passion or field of interest should be your motto, but get yourself aware about it beforehand. If you want to get into AIMS, IIT, or any top high rated colleges of India, then it's really hard to make it in the first attempt. Even many bright and intelligent students who never scored below 95% till 12th struggle hard when they face off with other elite students they have never encountered before. So, you need to study hard, have to be consistent and determined throughout your preparation period, and have to give at least 5 hours every day apart from coaching classes, and that too in a best strategic way. So all the best guys, your success is in your hands only. Thank you for watching my video. If you find this will helpful to you to choose the best career options, please subscribe my channel, like and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.